First up, let's delve into the factors that influence commercial roofing costs. It's not just about picking materials. Factors like the size and complexity of your roof, labor costs, and even Minneapolis's unique weather patterns play a big part. Understanding these elements is key to avoiding unexpected expenses and making a cost-effective choice. Now, onto the materials. Whether it's durable metal or traditional asphalt, each material comes with its own price tag and benefits. We'll compare the most popular options in Minneapolis, weighing their pros and cons, to help you decide which material offers the best value for your specific needs. The cost of skilled labor and installation can't be overlooked. We'll guide you through finding the right contractor and how complex installations can affect your final bill. Plus, I'll share tips on how to ensure quality work without overpaying. Finally, let's talk long-term. Investing in a roof isn't just about the upfront cost. We'll examine maintenance needs, the durability of materials, and potential energy savings. I'll also compare 2 case studies of Minneapolis businesses who made different roofing choices, showcasing the impact of these decisions over time.